Hi, I'm Katie Sweeney, and I'm going to show you how to make ham and brie quiche with caramelized onions. We're going to start with caramelized onions. What I'm doing here is I'm taking a whole onion and I'm thinly slicing it into little half moons. So we've got a pan preheating with about a tablespoon and a half of olive oil, and we're going to get our sliced onions in it. And our onions have cooked down and they're nicely caramelized, and we've layered them in the bottom of a pie crust. This pie crust can be homemade or store-bought. Today, to save time, I'm using a store-bought pie crust. From there, we're going to layer in 6 slices of ham and 1 small wedge of brie that I've diced into little pieces. Now we're going to make the egg mixture, and we're going to crack 5 eggs into a large bowl. To this, we're going to add about half a cup of Parmesan cheese, 1½ cups of heavy cream, and some fresh thyme, a couple of sprigs. We're going to generously season this with a little salt and pepper, and then whisk all the ingredients to combine. Now we're going to pour the mixture over our onions, eggs, and ham. Be careful, depending on the size of your pie crust, it can be a little full. Our quiche is good to go, and we're going to stick it in the oven for 45 minutes to an hour at 325 degrees. We've taken our quiche out of the oven and let it rest for 10 minutes, and now we're going to slice into it and see how it tastes. To die for. This brie and ham quiche is calling my name, so you'll have to excuse me. I'm going to take a bite.